Hello, good morning. Am I audible? Yes or no? Am I audible? Okay. Uh, our first chapter is finished. Last, what we see in first chapter, just introduction to machine learning. Next, advantages, disadvantages of machine learning, features of machine learning. Next, techniques of machine learning. There are different techniques we see in last lecture. Okay, my screen is visible. Okay, what do we see in last lecture? Machine learning techniques. What are the techniques? Regression. Next, in regression, there are two types: simple or multiple. In simple, it also two types: linear and non-linear. In multiple, it also two types: linear and non-linear. There in regression techniques, there are number of algorithms. With the help of that algorithm, we design the model of machine learning. Simple linear regression model, lasso regression, next logistic regression, support vector regression, multivariate regression algorithm, multi-regression algorithm. These are algorithms we use for to design the model of machine learning. Next, second, classification. It also two types. What is the classification? It under the supervised learning. What is the use of classification machine learning? Draw the conclusion for observed value. And we take one or more outputs in a categorical form. For example, your Gmail account inbox, draft, spam. These are the example of classification learning. It also two times binary classifiers and multi-class classifier. Next, clustering. Clustering is machine learning model, but it is the subtype of machine learning model, which is the main type of machine learning, unsupervised learning. What is the use of unsupervised learning? It have unlabeled data. Clustering means analyze your data and to divide data in different parts. You have to find out properties and feature of your data. In clustering, it also have point analogy, conceptual analogy, collective analogy. It have different types of techniques: statistical method, density-based analogy detection, clustering-based analogy algorithm, super vector machine. Next, okay. Next, what is the working of this technique? We see one example: Google. we see in last lecture. Next, architecture of machine learning. In that, we see types of machine learning architecture: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, and next, reinforcement. Based on that types or architecture types, we see one diagram process of the architecture. What is the actually process to draw the machine learning model? This is the diagram. First, what we take data acquisition. First, you have to take your data. Next, process on that data. Then design the model of your data. Next, execute your data, and last step is deployment. After your model is developed, you have to deploy it. Means you have to implement it. Next, machine learning methods. How do machine learn? How machine learning work? Actual model in real life. We see supervised, unsupervised, classification, regression, and clustering machine learning model. In that, we see a real life example of supervised learning, that is sentiment analysis, natural language processing, image classification, predictive analysis, pattern recognition, span detection, speech or sequence processing. Then in classification, we see support vector machine, k nearest neighbor algorithm, Navy Bayes algorithm. What is the use of k nearest neighbor classifier? I explain one example. What is that? If you are read carefully, the name itself suggests the algorithm does. Then KNN algorithm consider this is your point of data to closer, much similar the feature and hence more likely to belong to the same class as a neighbor. Next, Navy Bayes classifier. This is the algorithm. With the help of that algorithm, we develop machine learning model. Next, regression. What is regression? Regression is process to finding the model with the help of that differentiate the data using the contiguous value. In regression model, we have to draw your hierarchical data. Means your first is root, in that subpart is there. Next, clustering means analyze your data or divide data into different parts. In clustering, there are K means clustering algorithm, hierarchical clustering, dimensional reduction means its good example is image compression. Next, data visualization. Next point, we see what kind of business problem to handle the machine learning. Is the prediction you have trying to make to take correct decision to draw the machine learning model. In that, face detection, email spam filter, product music or movie recommendation, speech recognition, real-time binding, credit card purchase fraud detection. Next, getting started quickly with machine learning. We have to start quickly with machine learning. For that, 5 steps is there. First, identify the reduction process. Which process? First, you have to identify which process is redundant or repeated. You have to find out first. Then, brainstorm and priorities use cases. Means after repetition, you have to apply different use cases on your data, on your model. Next, demystify machine learning platform and models and start the building. Means you have to use different platform to run the model. Last one is 5, acquire the skill to sustain machine learning efforts. In first chapter or first unit, we have seen these techniques, problems of business need. Next, architecture of machine learning. Okay. Our first chapter is finished. Our second chapter is our second unit, offering of machine learning. What is the offers of machine learning? Means actually strategy, how to start machine learning model, looking inside the machine learning, what is the life cycle of machine learning, start to end, what is the actually process of machine learning in depth. When we develop machine learning model, what is the look inside the machine learning, what exactly these module are. Here is example of machine learning, different examples. He is seated on the chair. He just seated on that chair, but actually process is there are different supports. A red arrow is there. Next example. This is the aeroplane. You see only aeroplane, but what is exactly inside, what techniques we use inside the aeroplane, we don't know. But in machine learning, you have to identify what exactly the process or what exactly use this model. Because machine learning use your historical computerized data, not user input. For that purpose, machine learning uses or identify what exactly model is that. Second unit, offerings of machine learning. In that, first point is looking inside machine learning. Let's take look inside machine learning and explore the differences in how humans correlated things versus how machines correlated things. how machines correlated things. You are sitting in an exit row. You casually look at emergency guide. And it is a combination of image and text. This is the example. Your brain naturally combines them. Yes, all things in your brain means your brain combine all these things and present you with a complete picture. Okay, you combine all these things in your mind. When you detected or drawing, these are the separation. Open the door in unlikely event of emergency. Here is, if any emergency, that time we use emergency door. As a human, this ability to correlate come intensively to us, but for a minute think about how computer sees the same document. And OSR means optical character recognition. This is device that reads the text. This device is used for scanning. This device is read the text and image recognition model scan the image. Then there is a third system that correlated the image and text to understand the complete picture. There are two approaches for completing the same task seem drastically different. However, if you think about it, the fundamental principles are same. The human process of analyzing the world around us and the approach a machine takes to process complex information are both based on breaking down the data to its core elements. We are just intensively better at correlated the information. In this relentless pursuit of artificial intelligence augmented capabilities, one key capability has been somewhat inclusive reason, the sheer complexity of correlated needed to present a convenience argument is hard for most human, let alone artificial syntax. What exactly did inside the machine learning? We have to see that. After that, what is the impact of machine learning on your application? We see application of machine learning where we use machine learning model in self-driving car, Facebook friend suggestion, face detection. These are the applications of machine learning. What is the impact of that application as a type of artificial intelligence? Okay, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is changing and reshaping how people are doing business. What is the work of machine learning? It's changing and reshaping how people are doing the business. Most companies are investing in this model purely because of the magnitude of the impact it has on business. Machine learning is a big deal and is already impacting our lives in way we do not conclusively know. We know the machine learning is big deal with business. It's already impact our lives. Machine learning is commonly known use algorithm. Yes, machine learning always know use algorithm to make computer learn on their own without having to program them clearly at every step. Now, this automated analytical model helps find hidden insight to the new data which might not be found. If the analysis was done with traditional approach, for this reason, machine learning is creating lots of buzz these days in software development. Some also predict that it will transform the development process of web application. First is data mining. Means read on to learn the impact of machine learning on web development. What is the impact on web development when we use machine learning model? What is exact impact of web development module? In that, first is data mining. Data mining is a technique are used for enterprises to produce the new information from the colossal pool of data. It is the technique, data mining is the technique to produce the new information from your old data. Web mining as a data mining technique is used by many websites to discover patterns and insights from the available data. Machine learning also like data mining detects pattern. However, machine learning has ability to automatically program action based on detected pattern. This is the information or impaction of machine learning model on data mining. Next is comprehend customer behavior. Machine learning capabilities are also applied on web application to better understand customer behavior and to actively engage the customer. E-commerce website usually understand the product for specific customer based on their searches. E-commerce website usually understand the product for specific customer based on their searches. With the help of our back history, you filter our data, what we searched in last. Depending on that history, we see the product of e-commerce website. Can lead to better the conversion related to product. It can also use algorithm to better understand the feature desired by the customer. Machine learning algorithm can also be used to communicate with the customer. Yes, machine learning algorithm always used for to communicate with the customer, to analyzing their queries and perhaps even connecting them with customer service team. All in the name of enhancing customer experience. Next up, modified information. Social networking sites use this feature, modified information. Social networking site always modified the website because users waste their time on that site. For that purpose, social networking use this feature modified this always modified the information because most of users waste their time for that specific social network. Social networking site use this feature for personalized content for each user. Facebook most popularly uses the machine learning algorithm to get personalized newsfeed for each user. Facebook essentially uses a combination of predictive analysis and statistical analysis to detect the pattern based on the content that the user reads and likes. Hence, while developing web application, programmer can embed the same technology and deliver the personalized content to user based on their choice and preferences. Yes. Facebook essentially uses the combination of predictive analysis and statistic analysis. Means how many users seen that specific content on the Facebook. You know, that is the statistical analysis to detect the pattern. What type of information they want. With the help of predictive analysis, we identified. And based on that predictive analysis and statistic analysis, we have to modify your information. What they exactly want. While developing the web application, programmer can embed the same technology and deliver the personalized content to user based on their choice and preferences. What they exactly want, what they have. Depending on their choice and preferences, we use different technology to develop the web application. Next, expedite product detection. Large companies with online portals are developing machine learning algorithm to deliver smart search for individual users. Large organization uses machine learning algorithm to deliver the smart searches for individual users, because they are always online. They provide quick information to live user. For that purpose, large organization use machine learning algorithm to providing the smart searches for user. These algorithms will assist the user to find the relevant products faster. Next is mitigating security threats. A number of security firms already use machine learning technology. For example, logistic regression, which identify mischievous website among many. Because lots of machine learning technology use security, because your mischievous website, you lost your data. For that purpose, machine learning technology use security. Similarly, some enterprises also use classification algorithm. In supervised learning, we see what is classification algorithm. Some enterprises also use classification algorithm to identify phishing website based on criterion like domain identity, data encryption techniques. Why we use data encryption techniques? Because your data is encrypted. Other user can't read your data. Means your data is formatted in another text. What your exactly data, actual data is different, and your encrypted data is different. They don't know what exactly the text on that file. This will make it easier for programmer to mitigate their web application for involving security threat in the future. So overall, it is not only changing the way of web application are being developed, but the way the way they will be developed in the future. Web programmer also have the independence of combining multiple machine learning APIs to further enrich the customer experience by offering faster and smoother application. Next is what is the impact of healthcare? What is the impact on government? What is the impact of machine learning on market and sales? Next, what is the impact on e-commerce and social media of machine learning? What is the impact of machine learning on transportation? What is the impact of financial service on machine learning? Next, what is the impact of machine learning on oil and gas? Next, manufacturing. In detail, we see what is the exactly impact of machine learning. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. First point is healthcare. What exactly impact of machine learning on healthcare system? The proliferation of wearable sensor and devices that monitor everything from pulse rate and steps walked to oxygen and sugar level and even sleeping pattern have generated a significant volume of data that enable doctors to assess their patient health in real time. One new machine learning algorithm that detects cancerous tumors on mammograms, another identify skin cancer, a third can analyze retinal image to diagnose diabetic retinopathy. What exactly machine learning model done on healthcare system? This is the explanation. It's monitor everything from pulses to your detection of skin cancer. In between, whatever process is done, all are observed by machine learning model. It is profitable to healthcare system. Machine learning model is profitable with on healthcare system. Next, government. In government office, what is the impact of machine learning model? System that use machine learning enable government officials to use data to predict the potential future scenario. With the help of machine learning model, we store your lots of data on that for the future scenario, adapted to rapidly changing the situation. With the help of your historical data, you produce error-free scenario of your current situation. You can draw the correct scenario. Machine learning can help to improve the cyber security. Yes, machine learning help to improve the cyber security and cyber intelligence, support counter terrorism effort, optimize optional preparedness, logistic management, and predictive maintenance, and reduce the failure rates. This recent article highlights 10 more applications for machine learning within the healthcare industry. In healthcare system, there are 10 more applications of machine learning. Next, what is the impact on marketing and sale? Machine learning is revolutionizing the market sector as many companies have successfully implemented artificial intelligence. Yes, many of company 100% uses AI and machine learning to increase and enhance the customer satisfaction. What exactly done machine learning? To enhance the customer satisfaction by over 10%. In fact, according to probes, 57% of enterprises is executive believe that the most important growth benefit of AI and machine learning will be improving customer experience and support. Next, e-commerce and social media sites use machine learning to analyze your buying and search history. Yes, I told you. For historical search history, for your search history, depending on that history, you filter our data on website. What you search on particular website, and next time you log in that website, you first see this information from your history page. Make recommendation on their items to purchase based on your past habit. Yes, I told you, make the recommendation on other item to purchase based on your past habits. Many experts theorize that the future of retail will be driven by AI and machine learning. As deep learning business application become even more adept at capturing, analyzing, and using data to personalize individual shopping experience and develop customized targeted market company. Next is transportation. What is impact of machine learning on transportation? Efficiency and accuracy are key to probability with this sector. In most cases, that is transportation, actually use of machine learning in that field, because efficiency and accuracy in transportation. Where is your you purchase one product from Amazon, you see your product is where your product is now. Then with the help of machine learning model, we detect the current location of your product. Efficiency and accuracy are key to profitability with this sector. So is the ability to predict and mitigate potential problems. Machine learning, data analysis, and modeling functions dovetail perfectly with businesses within the delivery, yes, public transportation, and freight transport sector. Machine learning uses algorithm to find factors that positively and negatively impact a supply chain success, making machine learning a critical component with supply chain management. You have to find factor that positively or negatively. What is the impact of supply chain? Your product is reach on time or not. You have to analyze it, making machine learning a critical component within supply chain management. Within logistics, machine learning facilitates the ability of schedule to optimize career selection. We have to optimize your career selection. You have to give a rating. You have to find out route and quality chance process, which saves your money and improve the efficiency of your model. Machine learning ability to analyze thousands of data points simultaneously and apply algorithm more quickly than any human enable machine learning to solve the problem that people haven't yet identified. This is the impact of transportation of machine learning. Financial services. Next is the insights provided by machine learning in this history allow the investor to identify new opportunity. You have to first identify what exactly new opportunity or know to trade of your financial service. Data mining pinpoints high risk clients and informs cyber surveillance to find out mitigate sign of frauds. Machine learning can help calibrate financial portfolio or assess risk for loans and insurance underwriting. The future of AI and machine learning in this industry include the ability to evaluate hedge funds and analyze the stock market movement to make the financial recommendation. To store the stock in financial service, for that we use machine learning model. Machine learning may render username, password, and security questions absolute by taking anomaly detection to the next level, that is facial recognition, voice recognition, and other biometric data. Next, oil and gas. Machine learning and artificial intelligence are already working to find a new energy source and analyze mineral deposit in the ground. Yes, it already used machine learning concept and AI concept in oil and gas. What exactly stock, what exactly sell, what exactly purchase. You updated minute by minute. It totally automated. Means it's already implemented machine learning model on that applications. Uh, to find new energy sources and analyze mineral deposit in the ground, predict refinery sensor failure and streamline oil distribution to increase the efficiency and shrink costs. Machine learning is revolutionary the industry with its case-based reasoning, reservoir modeling, and drill floor automation too. And above all, machine learning is helping to make the dangerous industry safe. From dangerous industry, we have to save. For that, we have machine learning model. Next, manufacturing. Manufacturing. Machine learning is no stranger to the vast manufacturing industry either. For manufacturing field, it's also have machine learning techniques. Machine learning application in manufacture are about accomplishing the goal of improving operations for conceptualization to final delivery, significantly reducing error rates, improving predictive maintenance, and increasing the inventory turns. For that purpose, we use machine learning model on manufacturing. These are the application of machine learning. What exactly impact on that applications of machine learning? First, we see healthcare. After that, government, marketing and sale, e-commerce and social media, transportation. In that, logistic is there. Next, financial service, oil and gas. Next, manufacturing. These are the fields we use machine learning different models. Next point of second chapter is data preparation. What we prepare? What exactly data preparation? What is data preparation? Okay. Data preparation is a self-service activity that convert disparate, raw, messy data into clean and consistent. What is data preparation? Is self-service activity that convert your disparate data, raw data, messy data into the clean and consistent way. The process include, what is the process of data preparation? First, searching, cleaning, transferring, organizing, and collecting the data. It is the process of data preparation. Preparing data is critical but time intensive. You have to give time for data preparation. Data teams spend up to 80% of their time. Yes, you collected lots of data, but how many times you have to spend to collection of data? So out of total time, 80% time for your collection of data. Data teams spend up to 80% of their time converting raw data into high quality. Yes, your raw data is lots of, you have to analyze that data for your accuracy, efficiency of your model. Your data team spend 80% of their time converting raw data into high quality data to analyze ready output. Highly scalable IBM data preparation offering use automation to IBM use automation techniques to improve and speed up data preparation. With the help of automation, we reduce your time spending. Spend less time prepare for why IBM use automation? Because you are spending time less. With few minutes, you catch up high quality data. For that purpose, IBM use automation techniques. Spend less time preparing data and more time on business critical analysis and drive values. High scalable IBM data preparation offering use automation to improve speed up data preparation. Spend less time preparing data and more time on business critical analysis that drives value. Data preparation may be one of the most difficult steps in any machine learning project. Yes, whatever we produce model of machine learning, we have to go from this step, data preparation. It is the difficult task for all. The reason is that each data set is different and highly specific to the project. Nevertheless, there are enough commonalities across predictive modeling project that we can define a loose sequence of steps and subtasks that you are likely to perform. This process provides a context in which we can consider the data preparation required for the project, inferred both by the definition of the project performed before data preparation and evaluation of machine learning algorithm. In this part, we discover how to consider data preparation as the step in border prediction modeling. After completing this point, we see each predictive modeling project with machine learning is different, but there are common steps prepared on each project. Next, data preparation involves best exposing the unknown underlying structure of the problems to learning the algorithm. The steps before and after data preparation is project can inform what data preparation method you have to apply, and at least you have to explore it. Next, 8 building blocks of data preparation. There are 8 building blocks for use data preparation. First is discovering. Interactive exploration help you discover features of your data and quickly determine the value of your data set. IBM's data type inference column level profile, interactive quality bars, histograms provide immediate visibility into trends and data issues. Guidelining the transportation process to supply accurate data for ML model development and testing. Structuring refer to action that change the form or schema of your data. Splitting your column, unnesting the hierarchy, pivoting the rows, deleting the field, and are all from the structuring, because you have to apply different steps: splitting the column, defining the hierarchy, pivoting the rows, deleting unnecessary field, Structuring needs to happen to provide well-formed tabular dataset to ML model. Predictive transformation allow you to simplify highlight section of your data to get suggestion of appreciate transformation based on data you are working with and type of interaction you have to apply on your data. After the completion of your structuring, you have to suggest or appreciate to transformer data or interaction applied on that data. Next block is cleaning during the cleaning stage. User identify data quality issue such missing or mismatched values. Apply the appreciate transformation to correct, filter or delete these values from the data set. A guided cleaning process is critical to provide accurate data to ML model and achieve the best prediction. This is the third block for data preparation. You have to apply on your data to prepare accuracy, high quality data. Next, enriching the data required to build. After the cleaning of your data, you have to build your data, tune and test a machine learning model can be spread across the multiple data sources. In order to gather all necessary insight, you need to enrich your various data set by the standardizing, combining, aggregating multiple data sources. IBM's data enrichment features allow you to easily execute lookups to data dictionaries or execute joins and union with disparate data set. Intelligent join and union inference uses machine learning to rapidly identify, appreciate key to combine your diverse data set. Build IBM's machine learning platform features are massively parallel modeling engines that can scale to hundreds or even thousands of powerful servers to build machine learning model in one click. Profitability, the clean data input generated, intensive web-based interface, make it easy for you to let automated machine learning model do all the work, or you can write your own predictive model for evaluation by the platform. After the building of machine learning platform, you have to validate this model is correct or not. You have to test it. For that, we use automation techniques in machine learning. We use different algorithms to validate your data. Whatever data you got, this data is correct or not. First, you have to check it. Validate the machine learning platform automatically. Searches through millions of combinations of algorithm. Data pre-processing stage, transformations, features, and tuning parameters for the best ML model for your data. Integrated machine learning speed up model evaluation and build a leaderboard so you can see which model perform best with your data. After the validation step, you choose which model is best for your data. We integrate all the speed up technology. We use automation, we use different automation techniques. After the validation, next step is tune. While automation and speed usually come at the expense of quality, IBM uniquely deliver on all those fronts. Machine learning automates model tuning. After the validation, next step is tuning. Machine learning automates different tuning model, but which tuning model is suitable for your data preparation? You choose it from all. So you can tune it and adjust your machine learning algorithm for your better result. You choose the model. Each model is unique. Next is deployment. The best predictive model have little to no organizational values unless they are rapidly operationalized within the business. With IBM's automated machine learning platform, deploying models for prediction can be done with few mouse clicks. Built-in machine learning publishes a REST API endpoint, making it breeze to integrate within modern enterprise applications. You can now derive business value from ML in minutes instead of waiting months to write scoring code and deal with the underlying infrastructure of data and artificial intelligence. These are the blocks of data preparation we apply on your data. First is discovering, interactive exploration of your data, determine the value of your data set. Next, structuring your data. You have to structure, you have to format your data in different structure. Next, after structuring step is clear. Next step is cleaning. Whatever data is not usable, this data is cleaned. Next, enriching means your data, you have to check your data is built, tuned and test. What exactly you have to use for build state or tune state or test. Within 3, you use one stage. You can use build, you can use tune, you can use test step for your cleaned data. In 3 out of 3, you can use one for data preparation. You can build your data preparation model. You can build or test your validation, or you can tune. Out of 3, you can use one, and after that, you deploy your data preparation steps. Next point is machine learning life cycle means what exactly process from first to end machine learning model can run. What exactly steps to run the machine learning model from first to end? Which are the steps we have to face to run particular machine learning model? That's called life cycle. Life cycle means birth to death. This is the best example of life cycle. From birth to death, whatever process is going on, these are the steps of your life. Same like in machine learning, from starting of your machine learning model to end of the process, whatever process is going on is called phases of different machine learning model. One image not displayed. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Today we see in second chapter looking inside the machine learning. First point is looking inside the machine learning. What exactly done inside the machine learning we see. Next, impact of machine learning on application. There are lots of application. What exactly impact of machine learning? There are different fields. We explained all. Next, data preparation. In data preparation, there are 8 blocks to prepare high quality data. We apply 8 blocks on your data. Okay. Today we stop here. Anybody have any problem? Please ask. Otherwise, you can end your meeting.